Flabby arms. We've all been there and we all know how frustrating it can be. It's a common struggle spanning all ages and fitness levels. This issue can often feel insurmountable, with many of us feeling self-conscious or hindered in our daily activities. However, the solution is closer than you think. It's not about quick fixes or miracle cures, but about incorporating the right workouts into your routine. But fear not. With the right workouts, you can say goodbye to flabby arms. Push-ups. Simple, yet incredibly effective. This exercise is a classic, and for good reason. To execute a proper push-up, place your hands shoulder-width apart and maintain a straight line from head to heels. As you lower your body, keep your elbows close to your sides. It's all about form and technique. Push-ups primarily target your arms, helping to tone and reduce flabbiness. Remember, consistency is key. The push-ups might be challenging at first, but keep at it, and you'll see results. Next on our list is the tricep dip, a workout that targets the back of your arms. To perform this exercise, place your hands shoulder-width apart on a secured bench or stable chair. Extend your legs out in front of you. Lower your body until your arms form a 90-degree angle, then push back up to the starting position. This powerful move not only tones and tightens your triceps, but also improves your shoulder and chest muscles. With tricep dips, you're not only working on your arms but also enhancing your upper body strength. Bicep curls, a classic that never disappoints. This exercise is all about control. Start by holding a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward. Bend your elbows, bringing the weights towards your shoulders. Lower them slowly, maintaining tension in your biceps. That's 1 rep. Bicep curls primarily target, you guessed it, your biceps, but they also engage your forearms and shoulders, providing a comprehensive upper arm workout. Bicep curls are a staple in any arm workout. They target the upper arms and help to reduce flabbiness. Arm circles. Don't underestimate this simple workout. Often overlooked, arm circles are a powerhouse of a workout. They're incredibly straightforward. Stand tall, extend your arms out to the sides, palms down, and start with small circular motions. Gradually increase the size of the circles, then reverse the direction. Easy as pie, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. These circles have a lot going on under the surface. They work not just your arms, but your shoulders and upper back too. They're a fantastic way to improve shoulder flexibility, integral for a range of motions in daily life and other workouts. Plus, they help tone and strengthen your arms, bidding adieu to any unwelcome flab. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. No special equipment, no gym membership, just you and your commitment to stronger, better-toned arms. So circle away. Arm circles might seem easy, but they pack a punch when it comes to toning those arms. Last but not least, boxing. A total body workout that's great for your arms. Boxing is not just for professional fighters or those looking to get into the ring. It's a dynamic exercise that can help you tone your arms, and it's an exhilarating way to get fit. Boxing combines speed, power, and technique, all of which engage the muscles in your arms. From the quick jabs to the powerful crosses and hooks, each punch targets different muscle groups, leading to well-rounded arm development. Now, let's break down a basic boxing move. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, hands up protecting the face. The jab is a quick, straight punch with your lead hand. Follow it up with a cross from your rear hand, rotating your torso and hips for power. Finally, a hook, where you pivot on your lead foot and swing your arm in a horizontal arc. Boxing is a fun and effective way to tone those arms and say goodbye to flabbiness. Remember, the journey to toned arms is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep at it and you'll see results.